Feeling overwhelmed about how much you spend on Christmas? Let's talk about that. Welcome, I'm Eileen Judd. I'm the Busymoneybee. I'm a mom of 4 and I know what it's like to live on a tight budget, especially at Christmas time. So let's get started. Number 1, set a budget. Before even planning or buying Christmas gifts, plan out your budget. First, think of how much you can afford to spend. For example, if you only had $600, then ideally you would save $50 a month for 12 months to get the $600. If you're watching this video a month or even sooner before Christmas, then make do with what you have and get creative. Now, list the family members, gift exchange, parties, stocking stuffers, friends, parents. Divide the amount among each thing. Buy whatever you need or make something that fits into your budget. For example, with $600 for a family of 4, you would first divide up between your household. Mom, $75, Dad, $75, Bobby, $75, Cindy, $75, stocking stuffers, $20, Mom and Dad, $15, in-laws, $15, sibling-in-law, $15, sibling, $15, party gift, $10, gift exchange, $10. Budget based off your priorities. For me, my children and my husband come first, then everyone else comes after that. Number 2, suggest a gift exchange where everyone picks a name to give a gift instead of having to buy a gift for every sibling. Like in my husband's family, there are a total of 6 kids, and when we were first married, it was really rough to have to buy 6 gifts for people when we were just barely getting by. Finally, we are exchanging names for gifts, and it's been so much easier, not just on our budget, but on our overall stress at Christmas time as well. Do this with siblings, do this with children, co-workers, etc. So you don't have to buy so many gifts. Instead, to be able to be more thoughtful for a small amount. Number 3, shop the deals. You can find great deals shopping clearance sales after Christmas in January. You could buy toys, gift sets, etc. Also, remember to buy stuff before October, because in October, that's when the retailers start raising prices on some of their products. So during November and December, when they cut prices, they make it look like you've saved a lot of money when you actually have not saved that much money at all. Number 4, don't spend money that you don't have or don't have yet. There is nothing worse than using a credit card and then come January the money doesn't come. Then you're stuck with paying minimum payments on something you didn't have money to pay minimum payments for, and you are now paying interest amounts on the gifts that you bought for other people and spending a lot more money, basically. If worse comes to worse, make something out of what you have at home or get creative with Dollar Tree items. Or you can also ask for help from your community or your church. I'm sure even if it's just to get gifts for your kids, that you'll be able to get help to at least get gifts for them. Number 5, price watch. If you're looking for specific items or categories, search periodically online. You may find stuff for 50% off or more. Check places like Amazon's daily deals, TJ Maxx, Ross. Don't forget to price compare to make sure you're actually getting the best price for what you're getting. Number 6, search for free activities. Ask around your friends and family for ideas on great places to go, and also, for Christmas light displays around town. I know here in Arizona there's a lot of Christmas light displays that are beautiful and they're free to go to, or they accept donations, and you can take your kids and have fun and have like hot chocolate or whatever and make it just a fun special night for you and your family. And those type of free things are the things that I remember as a kid, because that's what my parents did. We didn't really do much at Christmas time. We did a lot of free things, and those are some of the best memories that I have of my childhood. Also, at community events, you can get free pictures with Santa at most of them, so it doesn't hurt to try. Number 7, have a party on the cheap. Do a cheap gift exchange and have refreshments from things that you have in your house that you can make. Play games, find group activities on Pinterest to do. Number 8, get organized. Have a list and budget on your phone. I prefer Evernote and Google Docs because I can share what I have with my husband, so it's easy for him to know what's going on. I also have a 3-ring binder filled with traditional recipes and traditions and favorite activities, so that when I'm planning out my month, that it will be easy to do. It's less stressful and everything's in one spot. For my kids' gifts, I can mark that they're purchased. I can write in that how much I spent, and I can write in how much I saved, and I can write in and I can check a box if it's wrapped. It helps me to stay on budget, and it helps me to not forget that I've bought gifts. It helps me stay organized. Number 9, shop early. Start as early as January when you're buying the stuff on clearance. I record it, I get it, and I wrap it. It helps me save money and relieve stress to buy them throughout the year and be less overwhelmed during the holiday season. I also ask for gift exchange names as early as July so I can find something really good for a great deal for that person instead of rushing and getting something they really just did not want. Number 10, have a wish list. Have a wish list for you, have a wish list for your kids. I have all my wish lists on Amazon, and I have them for my kids. As I find things on the daily deals, I will add them to my kids' wish list. And trust me when I say this, that most of the time the things that are on the daily list will pop back up again, and so you'll still be able to buy it when you have the money and still save money. Also, make sure to have a collaboration, especially with your older kids, so they can add stuff to their Amazon list and you can edit their Amazon list as well. But be forewarned, if you edit and take stuff off their list during buying season, it will notify them that you've changed something, and you don't want that. But it makes it easy to have a wish list for everyone, and also get links from your family members for what they want, or your friends, or whatever, or whoever you're buying for. That way you can buy exactly what they want instead of you having to guess, and they can just add stuff throughout the year that they see on hauls and whatever, and it's less stress on them and it's less stress on you. The part is when people buy duplicates. You know, the people that buy stuff from Amazon but didn't buy it through your wish list so it doesn't get taken off. I've had that happen way too many times, and I do not like returning things. Family, people generally report to me for things that they've bought my husband or things that they bought my kids, so I know they bought them. So when someone else calls me and says, hey, I want to buy this, then I know that they can't buy it because someone else bought it. And then the same thing, that everyone has to call my husband to tell him what they got me so they know not to buy it. That's it. I hope this prepares you and helps you have a great and stressful Christmas on a small, modest budget. For more money saving tips like this, click the like button. To not miss out on my next videos, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified. Until next time, happy savings. Bye.